Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 3, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's go into these settings. From here all the way down to System, where you'll find Reset Options, and in here at the last option you have the Erase All Data Factory Reset. When you tap on it, it will give you a message that basically performing this removes everything from the phone. That includes things like your Google account, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Primarily the most important ones are the ones right here, so music, photos, and user data. So if any of those you would like to keep, well then you might want to back up your device beforehand, or otherwise you will lose all that data. But assuming you have already done it, or you just simply don't want to, tap on Erase All Data, and if you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I have a pattern. And once you confirm it, you have the option to erase everything. And when you tap on it, the process will now begin. This will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished, we'll be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.